Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to open a hobby box of 2018 Topps Chrome Baseball. In this set you're guaranteed 2 Chrome autographs per box, and we're hoping to find some Ohtani, Acuna, or I'm not sure if Soto is in this product, but looking for Ohtani or Acuna autos would be nice. Okay, we'll start by just taking these all out. Okay, here are the odds. Just gonna try to get this in a better light here. It's kind of tough. Yeah, it's going to be really hard to see that with the way the light is and the reflection, so that's not going to work too well, but okay, looking for some good autos. Okay, we have Cody Bellinger, Nicholas Castellanos, Justin Bauer, and Michael Fulmer. Anthony Banda, pulled one of his rookies yesterday out of another product. Michael Anthor, Francisco Mejia, Paul DeJong. Check any of these to see if there's any short prints. I'm not sure of the short print numbers, but I'm just looking to see if there's any numbered cards. I know the Freshman Flash is my insert of that, but it is not numbered. Alex Wood, Nick Williams insert, not numbered. Walker and Stanton. Buxton, sweet Kershaw card. Gleyber Torres refractor. That is a short print. Jackie Bradley Jr. The non-numbered Gleyber Torres refractor, but it is a refractor. We have Blackman. Oh, cool. I live in Pittsburgh, so this is cool. A Trevor Williams autograph. Refractor, numbered out of 499. He is actually one of my favorite Pirates. Conforto and Goldschmidt. Yeah, that's cool. Trevor Williams. That's a cool autograph. Not sure how much it's worth, but he was one of our better pitchers this year. Willie Calhoun, Benintendi, Future Stars Barreto, not numbered, Starlin Castro, Austin Hayes, Tim Beckham. It's a Tim Beckham refractor. Mazzara and Tim Anderson. That's like it's an odd colored card. It doesn't say anything special on the back, but that might be a short print. Thomas Nido, Urena, a Hap Future Stars, not numbered, and a Cespedes. Verdugo, Reese Hoskins rookie card, Trey Mancini, and Maeda. Struggling a little bit opening these packs. I'm fairly new at this whole videotaping my box break, so bear with me. Hopefully it'll be more where this came from, though. Manny Machado, Glahara, Walker Buehler. This looks like a refractor. Yeah, Walker Buehler refractor. That's a nice looking card. Pulled a Walker Buehler out of Stadium Club the other week, a base auto, and it's also not a portrait, it's a landscape view. It's weird that two of his different cards of different sets are both the same. Daniel Murphy. Well, this looks like this might be my other auto. It's weird, they're both on the same side. Troy Scribner from the Angels, just a base auto. It's a cool looking card though, rookie card. John Lester, German Marquez. Hopefully, maybe there's more than two autos in this box, but if not, I am somewhat happy with the Trevor Williams, because again, he is one of my favorite Pirates. Chris Taylor, Rendon. We have a Superstar Sensations Kyle Schwarber, and a Thames. Okay. Halfway through the box. Bridwell, Matt Olson, refractor. Arcia, Robbie Ray, Greg Allen. Cool, Addison Russell. I know this is some sort of short print with the background. Greg Bird, this looks like a blue numbered out of 150. That's a nice looking card. Whit Merrifield. I'm not sure of all the short prints. There might be some short prints in that. Comment below if you see that I missed one and it's in my big pile over here. Blackburn. Rosario insert. Gurriel. Morales. Probably also butchering some of these names. Mainly a Pirates and Braves fan, so don't know all the other players. Harrison Bader. Rosario. Cody Allen, refractor. Abreu. AJ Minter. Jimenez, Future Stars. Nice looking card. Looks like a Jay Bruce refractor. Nope, that's just a normal. It's hard to tell some of these Topps Chromes which ones are inserts and which ones are short prints. They're all shiny. Let's try to open this from the other end. Okay, failed from that end, so we'll try that here. A Simmons, Buster Posey, Robbie Ray. This is some sort of short print with a green, looks green to me, background. Longoria, Lindor, Iglesias, refractor. Cano, Luke Weaver, Max Fried. I feel like we already had one of his. Felix George, Another short print, Brandon Crawford, Cabrera, Reed. It's a nice looking card. Stanton insert. Andrews, Lamb. Aaron Judge. Victor Robles. Oh, awesome. Victor Robles is a rookie. This is awesome. I said before we opened it, I was hoping to get some Acuna. I didn't get an auto, but I did get the, I think it's like a negative refractor short print. That's awesome. I'm setting that aside. That is freaking awesome. Quintana. Don't know how likely those are to be pulled, and especially the player that I was looking for. So, Brett Gardner, Cole Hamels, got a Victor Robles freshman flash, and Chris Bryant. And down to our last pack. Looks like we only got the 2 autos. I don't know if any of these have more than the 2 autos in them, but since we got them so early on, I was keeping my fingers crossed that there might be more than 2. Victor O'Neill. I see an insert in this one for sure. David Robertson. Whit Merrifield. That has the, it's definitely an insert. It has the kind of flashy background. And Marcus Stroman. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay posted and please subscribe for more future box break videos, as I plan to do more of these in the future. Again, we'll just quick show the big hits. We got the Acuna negative. Got the Troy Scribner from the Angels auto, base auto. And the Trevor Williams refractor auto, numbered out of 168. And then we had a few other insert hits, but I don't think anything super big, but I'll check on those. So thank you guys very much. Please like this video and subscribe, and look forward to seeing you soon.